Hey guys, it's me Emmett here, and today we're going to be building a PC. I'm here with my dad. Let's get started.
Sweet, let's go. Nailed it. AMD installation instructions. So very carefully, we're going to unscrew those. Steady. And we're back. All right, we got to put this heatsink on that processor and screw it down to the motherboard. So why don't you take that, pick it up. And then this AMD, want it on this side.
This one?
Yep. So we want to line it up carefully with those posts. Just make sure it's setting on there.
What's that sound?
I know, it's the spring compressing. First step, done. Getting that RAM open. It can be tricky. There you go. All right, we got our RAM in.
Woo!
8 gigs of RAM. So, we gotta bust this open again. Want to undo that? There you go. So I'll take that.
So what I think is supposed to happen is these things come out this way, not this way.
Yes, you're right.
I don't trust myself with that part at least.
Okay, why don't you go ahead and grab the motherboard.
Cue the music.
Okay, we've got that in. Okay, so we got that in. Bingo bango.
Trying to set aside.
All right, so we got our hard disk drive in. And our SSD, we gotta plug stuff in.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and set that down in here. Fan facing down. There you go. All right, I think you got anything. And then I'll help and lay this back down. There you go. Now we need to connect the data cable. It can only go in one way. Now we just need to plug them into here and here. There you go. So in the end, we'll end up hiding all these cables behind that white panel. So one fan is going to plug in here, and one fan plugs in right up here at the top. You see that? There you go. Go back and redo any of this stuff. Right above those. There you go. Nailed it. There we go. Nailed it. 1, 2. Awesome. Wiring? That's your worst enemy?
Because it looks like it could destroy you.
Just go ahead and just push it down now. There you go. Back down to the chassis. There you go. You swap me spots, open up that Wi-Fi card.
Yay! I'm gonna gonna have Wi-Fi.
Antenna. All right. And same thing, you want to make sure that metal frame goes down. There you go.
Woohoo! I have a big PC.
Yeah.
Okay, this looks so cool.
Okay, we need to put in your LED lights.
Okay.
So we got 2 LED strips here.
And then
That looks like they plug into each other.
they smell weird.
Why are you sniffing them?
Because I can smell them from a distance.
So this is the cord that connects to the motherboard. Got this arrow on the left-hand side, and it has to go on the left. So it's gonna go just like that. And then we'll end up hiding the cable kind of behind. Now where do you think we should put these? Okay.
I feel like on the sides. So, we can
So
have-
one up front here.
Yeah.
And then one in back?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all the way up here, right? There you go. Awesome.
Can you help me? Do-dee-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Go ahead and unbox that keyboard.
You ruined the surprise.
Oh, I didn't know I wasn't supposed to say. Sorry.
Use a keyboard. Boom.
Awesome.
So,
The last thing we gotta do with this, bud, is manage all our cables, okay? So we're gonna do a quick cleanup here, and then we'll get on to the other stuff. All right.
oh, amazing. Now, time for the big reveal. Hallelujah.
We got it built.
Yay!
Hopefully everything works.
I know.
All right, so we got to start plugging everything in. Keyboard. Bingo. The mouse.
Bingo.
Bingo. Pull that out. Power up the power supply. And power it on. Yes.
Yes!
So, you're supposed to select that as the boot drive. So go ahead and select that again. Choose an operating system to start or press tab to select. Windows setup 64-bit. Hit enter. Awesome, we're doing it. Install it. We did it! We built our first PC! It was so awesome!
Yeah, and to make it even cooler, we made the lights blue and we added Blue the Velociraptor from Jurassic World. And he's a Funko Pop. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Time for some Minecraft?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching. Boom! Should we do it again?
No, because you can edit it and then you can cut.
I can cut? What?
You can cut the videos.
Oh no, we're not cutting anything. What are you talking about?
What?